Currently, the temperature is 28 degrees under cloudy skies. A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Our local Doppler radar. Today, snow will become heavy at times this afternoon. Cold, high 33. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. For tonight, snow this evening will taper off to light snow late. Cold, low 20. Winds north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. On Thursday, mostly cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Cold, high 35. Our 7-day outlook.